What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 28 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, July 9th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. Currently, I'm down around, I want to say 14%. This is not tracking after hours activity, but as we go through this, I'll let you know which plays are off and which ones aren't. I did pick up some AMC this week, and it was at a bargain. Plus, salute to Ape Nation out there. Want to scoop up a couple of shares while I was down, and no trailing stop loss this time around as well, like I did the first time. So yeah, bought 20 shares at 40.03, and Jacque is still acting funny on this tracker. It's not down by that much. Again, we'll go through it when I pull up my app, so no worries. And transactions. So as you can see on my ledger, I slid my first AMC purchase to the side in my sell because for whatever reason, guys, it's not tracking on the portfolio side. So only way to track this new purchase that I just made, I had to slide this one over to the right side. Therefore, my tracker is somewhat on par. But so the only thing I did was I just bought 20 shares of that and bought it on the 9th. And then I got into 2 options this week, and it was Neo. So this is the one that I did myself, and Newegg is the one that Chris said to go ahead and do. So I'm going to test it out. Let me go ahead and update this. So purchase price on Neo was 207. Purchase price on Newegg was 680, with the expiration date at 7/16. All the ones in white are ones that I'm currently holding on to, and all the ones are red are dead. All the ones in green, we good. So deposits, I did deposit $650. So as you can see, all my deposits for this whole entire challenge. But currently we're sitting at $7,900 for the whole entire challenge. And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. I'm sitting at $11,129.38. For the day, I'm down almost $225. For the week, almost down 5%. Plenty of bloodshed. Buying power is at 111.24, and we'll go ahead and go through my plays, see how well they did or didn't do. So for today, APXT is somewhat okay. For the week, down over 5%. Currently right now, total return is down over 20%. AMC at 46.20 for the week, down 13.58%. But for this play, I'm up 15% so far. Average cost is 40.03, like I said before. Future FinTech, not too bad today. For the week, still down a little bit above 3%. Total return almost 30%, down 30%, that is, and average cost is 4.03. Tattooed Chef, down a little bit over 5% for the week. Total return down a little bit over 19%. Average cost is 24.80. Jacque for the week, a little bit over 3%. Overall, I'm down a little bit over 21%. Average cost is sitting at 15.88. Coinbase did really good this week. A little bit over 3% for the week, up over 4.5%. Total return a little bit over 11%. Workhorse still giving me fits, guys. I really want to get rid of this play. See, market value is only 129.40, but still I'm way down like 40% on this thing. It's hanging on to me like a bad cold. Can't get rid of this thing. Let's see. Same thing with Hyliion. Hyliion for the week, down almost 5%, down 40% this play, but only $104.70. And Apple for the week did fairly well, a little bit over 3.5%. I'm up over 14% in this play. Average cost is $126.96. And these are my plays that are outside of the Chris Sain portfolio. There's only 2 of them, but I thought I'd show you this anyway. Crestwood equity, I'm down a little bit over 2% for the week, but overall I'm up 72.93% in this play. Actually, the ones outside the portfolio are probably one of my 2 favorites at all these, but it's all good. And then innovative industrial properties. Again, these also too, if you're new to the series, these are my 2 dividend plays as well, but sitting at 203.98. Did very, very well today. For the week, a little bit over 2.3%. Total return is a little bit over 462%. And then to my 2 option plays, NEO, just to show you this real quick. Market value at 70, break-even price at 40.93. And then Newegg, market value at 450, break-even price at 33.20. Let me show you my deposit that I made to keep it real with you guys. So here are, guys, in my pending transfers. I deposited, I initiated it on the 9th, which is today, $650. And yeah, guys, that's really all I have for the video. Let me know down below which place you got into this week and how much bloodshed that you had this week as well. Kind of curious how everybody did. I know it wasn't pretty, but it's just part of the game. But if you made this far in the video, give your boy the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.